How to add or remove grid lines in photos on your Android device. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Camera on your device. After you're in the Camera app, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, simply scroll down and you will find Grid. Click on Grid. You'll find different grid option, which is 3x3, 4x4, or golden ratio. Click on the grid you prefer. After you've clicked on it, you can go back and you'll find grid lines. And if you want to remove it, click on the three dots at the top right again. Click on Settings. Scroll down, click on Grid again, and click on None. After you click on None, grids will be removed. This is how to add or remove grid lines and photos on your Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.